everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Vivian from Craft Co's Designs, and today I'm here to show you how to crochet the double crochet two together. I'm working on this 4th of July coaster. It will be a new addition to my Etsy store. I decided to jump right in and show you how to work the double crochet two together, which is a stitch that you need to know to complete this project. So I'm excited to show you and I hope you enjoy it. I am working on the second round, actually not the second, the third round of my coaster, and the pattern will ask you to work a double crochet two together. So to work a double crochet two together, you will yarn over, insert the hook on the stitch and draw a loop. Once you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So now normally you would yarn over, pull through those 2 loops and finish your double crochet, but because we are working 2 double crochets together, what we are going to do now, we are going to yarn over again, and you can either work on the same stitch like the pattern is asking, or in a normal case you could insert the hook on the next stitch. Just for the sake of my pattern, we are going to insert the hook on the same stitch. Grab the yarn and make another loop, pull up another loop, so you will have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. So you have 2 unfinished double crochets and 3 loops on the hook. Now you can go ahead, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So you just made a double crochet 2 together. I would just make once more because this is what the pattern asks for. So let me just chain 1 here, and we are going to work another 2 double crochets together on the same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook on your stitch, pull up a loop. Once you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We will leave this unfinished double crochet and start another one. Yarn over, go back to your stitch and pull up another loop. So you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Once you have 2 unfinished double crochets and 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, and then you just made another 2 double crochets together, so 2 stitches became just 1. Isn't that cool? I love crochet and I hope you loved this tutorial. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And if you're interested in this pattern, I will leave the link down below if you'd like to take a look at it. It's a very cute and easy project to do, and I am sure you will love it. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye!